Stampers, it's Gigi with Stamp Fanatics, and I have another shipment that just came in I wanted to share with you. And these are our new, let's see, Santa's Workshop Memories and More cards and envelopes. And if you notice, there are, let's open them so I can show you real quick. I believe there are two sizes in here. I'm so excited about these. Okay. Yeah, these are this size card. Okay, and then we have the small envelopes that go with them, and then we have our regular standard size card. And let me show you what I got it to go with. This is our Memories and More Santa Workshop Memories card pack. These I plan on making probably 20 to 50 cards out of. These little packs are so full of cuteness, and you barely need to stamp. I mean, look at the cute little elf. And then you've got the package. You've got Joy. On the back of that is a cute little note card. You've got Holly. You've got Ho 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 with notes. And this is great for scrapbooking, but it's also great for just making cards, and that's what I plan to do with mine. We've got Santa, and then we have the candy cane. And this is if you're doing memories, you know, like scrapbooking. And we've got Holly, we've got a nice background, tree time, cute, again, little background. All right, and these are the smaller ones that you can put on those little smaller cards. Santa's Little Helper, cute little red and white. We've got some of the signs, and we could put some type of saying in there. We've got, let's see, oh, fa la la, cute little snowflakes. Winter Wonderland with more snowflakes and cute little candy cane hearts. Merry and Bright, candy canes, stars, Holly, Joy of Giving. Cute little elf again, adorable. And it's an elf thing, that's cute. And let's see, more elves, and then just some cute little white cardstock. Now that's all the smaller size. Now the bigger ones, okay, we've got Santa, Merry Christmas, and you get two of each of most of these. Merry Christmas, again, Santa and his elves. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Another little holly lined paper. Santa Claus is coming to town. I knew I'd love this set. And look at all the cute little elves on there. Isn't that cute? Okay, Dear Santa, and they can write their notes. And you've got some trees. Official seal of the North Pole. And then, wait a minute, on the back of that one are stripes. Then we have Believe, and that has the bows. And then you get, this is adorable, numbers all the way through 28. So you could do an advent calendar, or you could just count down the days till Christmas. You've also got all of these fun stickers, and they just pop off like that. And these are trees, sayings. You don't even have to do any stamping on some of this. You could just put one of these sayings over on your cards. Oh, here's the rest of the dates. So it goes through the 31st, the whole month. Look at these. Can you see the sparkle and shine? This has like a glitter on them, on the candy canes and the snowflakes, on Santa's little hat. Adorable. You get, again, some more Merry Christmas, little seals, some snowflakes, and some stickers that you can stamp a saying. Beautiful flocked snowflakes here, and has some glitter on them. This has some glitter on the little elf's hat. I don't know if you can see it, and on the snow. And this one is just dots that has the snow. Adorable. And the Ho Ho Ho. Look how cute. Isn't that adorable? And then, I think there were a few more in here. I didn't pull them all out. Okay, let's get it all. One more. Okay, there's these cute little elves, and again, the little glitter on their hats. And then I've got a few more small ones. I mean, you really get your money's worth. This whole thing, I think, was $10. And this has the beautiful glitter on it again. Yeah, just make a ton of cards on that. And you've got the cardstock already in that cute little red Okay, and then I bought, of course, the Signs of Santa, and this is a stamp set that coordinates with that whole thing. It's got, again, the official seal, the little elves, Santa and his list. So any of these could be stamped and added to those to make really cool cards. I also got, and this is called Santa Signpost Framelets, and these are the framelets that you can bundle and save 10% to go along with the stamp set, or you can just buy them separately. So let's go ahead and pull these out and show you. Oh yeah. All right, so we've got, let's see, we've got some signposts. We've got the snowflakes in different sizes, 3 sizes there. You've got some little tags. This looks like it might be for the Santas. I'm sure that's Mrs. Santa right there. And just adorable. I mean, really, really cute. And then the whole suite, I also got the paper that coordinates with all of this. And that is this. Look how colorful. It's called Santa's Workshop Specialty Designer Series paper. So it all goes with this Signs of Santa. Let me pull some open and show you real quick. Now this is actually raised. The little snow dots and things like that you can feel are raised up. You've got holly on the other side. You've got the cute little snowman. Love that. And I did get a snowman stamp to go with this. And this has also like a flocked raised feel for the snowflakes that are on there. And you've got pretty Christmas trees on the back. And then you've got a whole list of those little elves. Again, cute and can be cut up. Red and white polka dot on the back. Very Christmassy. Then we've got this one. I'm going to pack that one upside down. That has the elves and little rocking horses and just adorable. And on the back of that is some nice green paper. And this red paper is like a velvet. The red is a velvet. Or no, I guess it's the white is a velvet and the red is the paper. And then we have the bows on this side. Notice they coordinated with that other little card pack. And then this, again, his hat, yeah, all of the hats, the white part is a raised, sort of a little velvety feel. Then you've got your cute candy canes on the back. Adorable paper. So I have the whole Santa suite here that I'm going to be using. All right. And then, let's see, I wanted to show you the snowman. There he is. I got the Spirited Snowman. He's adorable. Your friendship warms my heart. Winter cheer. Love never melts. And look at the little heart back there with the snowman. He's adorable. Love him too. Cute one. I think it'll go along with some of that. Then I got these two to coordinate with each other. Now this is beautiful. This is our gold foiled edge cards and envelopes. So this already has the cards. And they're edged in gold, and then it has the envelopes that are edged in gold too. So let me just take one out and show you how beautiful. Look how gorgeous that card's going to be. And it already has the gold edging. I don't have to cut the foil. And then I'm going to be putting them in these gold foiled edged envelopes. So these are going to be the most elegant Christmas cards too. And I'm going to use it with my Dashing Deer. I just loved the sayings in here and all of these deer. And it comes with the detailed deer thinlet dies, so I can cut out my deer. And I believe there was even an extra one that's not in the stamp set. Let's see. I think it's a leaping deer. Yes. This one here that leaps. You can cut him out. Look at those gorgeous antlers. And then this guy with the antlers, you know, you can cut out with this. And then there's 2 more little deer, and we've got one here. And then we also have lots of snowflakes and these beautiful edgings. Can you see these? That'll be gorgeous on the edge of a card that you could put in each corner. So that, again, you can also get as a bundle and save 10% or purchase them separately. And that's the detailed deer and the dashing deer. And that's going to go with my gold foil. Now, they also have this in silver. If you're a silver lover also, I have an idea in mind already of doing a gold deer. So I thought I'd do it with the gold paper. Okay. I also got this set, Many Blessings. I loved it. I know some of the girls that were on the cruise did some like a little samples or whatever while they were there, and I saw some of them and I just loved it because this has Christmas with the candy canes, this has fall over here with the pumpkins, thankful for you, this could be Thanksgiving, could just be another fall. I just loved the florals and just the pictures. I loved, again, this edging. I mean, you can do all kinds of gorgeous edgings on your cards that you can stamp. And then I got the, I believe this is Poppy Parade. This is a gorgeous ribbon that has a white edging on it. Let me see if I can get it open here and show you real quick. Look at that. And it is really silky and beautiful. Kind of has a little bit of a sheen to it and has the white crisp edge on it. Love it. And then I also got this one, which is called our... Okay, I don't see it on here, but it's a here it is, braided linen trim. And that one, it just sounded interesting, so I thought I would really check it out. And let's check it out together. Here we go. Yeah, it is a twine, but it's braided. Can you see the little bit of braiding in there? It's beautiful, and it's got maybe like, I don't know, a 1/16 of an inch or something, very, very, very small. Great for making bows and putting on cards. I also got the buffalo check. I have seen this print everywhere. I went to Hobby Lobby and it's all over the place. A black and white check you can get in napkins and placemats and plates. And then I also saw this in Pier 1. I got one of their catalogs in the mail and it also had the black and white check. So again, I'm just going to use this as Christmas too, as a green check and a red check. This is so popular, this buffalo check. You're going to see it in clothing, furniture, just fabrics, everything, household. Watch when you're shopping and see if you don't see this everywhere. Very, very popular. Okay, I also bought myself some of the twine, and that is the Garden Green Baker's twine. I also got some of this. I love it. This is our new Champagne Mist Shimmer Paste. This sort of has like a glimmer or a shimmer in glue. So I'm going to be using this on some of my cards, probably even maybe on that reindeer card. I might put a little more shimmer on there. And I got it in the champagne, and I also got it in frost white. It also comes in, I know the bronze color, and there is a fourth color, but I just stuck with the whites and the silver for right now. And then I got this. This is our corrugated dynamic texture. Do you remember all the coffee things we did last year? Well, in the coffee cups that we still have in our annual catalog, I just thought this would go along great with it. It's an embossing folder, and look at the cute lines. It is going to emboss like a corrugated box. And I thought this would also be cute to use in some of our fall things, because I'm doing a farmhouse look, and that's this new country home. This one has this cute little picture, the nice milk tin. It has the florals that go in it, the sayings, and I'm going to show you real quick what I'm thinking. Okay, this is a little sneak peek. I don't know if I could get the whole thing in. I might have to lift this up a little bit more, but it is, here, I'll turn it this way. It is like a milk crate. And I got this at Michael's, and it's a piece of wood. It's already cut. It's sort of a gray wood, and it has a little hanger, so I can hang it, or I can put it in a nice, you know, like a picture frame holder. And let's get this out of here so I can show you. And then I took some of the cup of tea paper that I'm cutting down, because this is kind of my colors. You can use whatever works for you. This is that new tin embossing folder, and the paper is our new silver foil, which is sort of a matted look. And this, when you put it through that folder, it makes it look like a tin tile. So I'm actually going to put that on there, and then I'm going to stamp probably this or this, I'm not sure yet, and put the flowers and put it in the middle there, and I'm going to make it like a little plaque that I can put in a picture frame, or a picture holder actually. You could put it in a frame if you want. I was going for a frame, but when I saw this, I really like this better. So I'm actually going to be putting it on here and do a little home decor class. So you'll probably see more of this later. But anyway, I just had to share that with you. That's all my goodies that I got from our wonderful UPS man who came early today. So have a great day and be watching for this. If you don't have a holiday catalog yet, hit me up at stampfanatics@gmail.com and tell me you need one. And we'll get one out to you. And this way, you'll be ready when this goes live. All of these products on September 5th. They'll be available, so start making your wish list now. You can play this back and see what you liked. And I would love for you to order from me and let me be your demonstrator, and I'll continue to give you great ideas. Thanks and have a great day.